The democracy is a government of the people, by the people, and to the people. With these words of Abraham Lincoln, today I, Arvind Singh, standing before you to speak for the motion, the water crisis, the complete failure of government. As we have seen that India is privileged with many rivers such as Ganga, Brahmaputra, Krishna, and many more. Then I want to ask you a question, my friends. There should be water crisis in India? The answer is no. If the government is aware about the fact that around 16% of the world population just depend on 4% of the water available on the earth. As we have seen since independence till now, a major section of the society is being suffering from the water scarcity, but the government do not have any scientific or structural approach towards this. Our 7 decade of the political freedom will go into a vain if we do not have enough water for our future generation. Acute water scarcity is staring India in its face, but government is busy in running their propagandas and collecting their votes. As we have seen that what government has done is they have signed many international treaties in Paris and Geneva and made many laws on the papers, but none of them have the actual implications on the ground. As we can see that many big industries disposing their toxic waste into the water bodies without proper treatment, and the government is quiet about this. What government has done, the government have built many water projects on the river bodies, but what they serve us is uh, dis- disposing the villages, cutting down of entire forest and posing danger to the aquatic life. And none of them have served the actual purpose to curb the water crisis. As we can see in the case of Narmada issue, where at last people have to come forward and raise their voice in the form of Narmada Bachao Andolan. Not only this, the government do not provide the proper interlinking of the rivers and canal system for irrigation to the farmer. Neither they have any policies or subsidies for technical advancement in the farming sector so that we can promote the rainwater harvesting. And this force farmers to dig tube wells, which does and hence which is which is worsening situation even more as the groundwater table is degrading day by day. Not only this, if we see in the current example in this corona pandemic where people are advised to stay at home, the many populations in the metropolitan cities are forced to come out of their houses, wait in the crowd, and for just a bucket of water. And all this is mocking at the social distancing rule. As we can see that government is complete fail in curbing the water issues, and not only fail, it also do not have any plan for wastewater management system. At last, I want to conclude by saying that the integrity of the nation is not only in strengthening its sovereignty, but to free India of the water crisis is of paramount importance too. And let us make this happen. Thank you.